As they enter the Enchanted Workshop, the friends feel something strange in the air. Do you feel that? It's like the workshop is awake, as if it's been waiting for us. It didn't feel like this before, right?
Yeah, I feel it too. It's like the place knows we're here. I'm not sure if that's good or if we should be worried.
Suddenly, a secret door opens slowly, revealing a hallway that leads to a mysterious room. In the center, there's a large balance surrounded by feathers, stones, water, and metal.
Balance what cannot be seen, but is always there. What does that mean? But how are we supposed to balance time with feathers, stones, and water? That doesn't make sense.
Maybe it's not just about the weight. Perhaps it's about what they represent. Time affects everything, the light, the heavy, and the flowing like water.
They try different combinations, placing a feather, a stone, and water on the balance, but nothing seems to work. This isn't working. What if the message isn't so simple? Maybe we need something else. With this idea, the friends start working together. They carefully combine the elements, the feather, the stone, and the water. Slowly, the balance begins to move and finally, it stabilizes. A soft glow fills the room, and the sounds of gears turning can be heard.
We did it. But I feel like this is just the beginning. We did it. But I feel like this is just the beginning.
This place has secrets. Let's discover them together.
This place has secrets. Let's discover them together.
Yeah, this is just the beginning. But what awaits us at the end?
As they descend, a strange whisper echoes in the darkness. It sounds like a distant voice warning them, not everything that glitters is gold. Intrigue grows, and the mystery of the Enchanted Workshop envelops them even more.